Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are having an amazing day. Today we're going to be making a beautiful flower with color paper. It's very colorful and a beautiful rose. First, take any color paper you want. It can be any color. Also, take some sharp scissors. Now, start cutting the paper to 2 equal halves. Now, there are 2 portions. Now, we'll be only needing one. Let's keep the other paper away for now. Now, let's cut that again into 2 halves. Now, there are 2 halves again. Let's start with one. Now, fold it in the middle to 2 equal parts. Fold it from the middle again. Now, cut the excess so it becomes a perfect square. Now, fold the diamond into half from the middle. Now, let's take one coin, pencil, scissors. Now, keep the coin on the paper as shown. And outline it with a pencil. Now, cut it out. Now, it looks like a rose petal. Now, cut 4 petals like this. Cut the ends. Now, unfold the petals. It should come like this. Now, take one part of the flower first and cut out its one petal. Now we get 2 parts like this. Let's keep them aside. Take the next part and cut 2 petals out of it. Now let's keep them aside. Take the third part and cut 3 petals out of it. Then let's keep them aside like this. Take the 4th petal and cut 4 petals from it, which means the half. We don't need the other half of the petal. Now we got 6 parts. First, let's take the first petal. Start rolling it table. Now take the third petal and start curling the ends. Now stick the ends with the Fevicol. Now take the fourth petal and do the same process we did with the other two petals. Apply some glue to stick the ends. Now take the fifth row and do the same process we did before. Apply some glue to stick the ends. Now take the sixth petal and do the same. Add some glue. Now take the sixth row and start doing the same process. Now let's arrange them all together. For that, start adding glue inside the last petal. Now put the row with 6 petals over it and stick well. Make sure to arrange it well with your hands. Now add some glue inside the flower again. Then put the row with 5 petals over it. Then add some glue in the middle again. Then place the row with 4 petals inside. Then apply some glue again. Then place the 3 petal row inside. Apply more glue inside. Make sure to cut the 2 petal row so it's correct to place inside. Let's place the last and final row with 1 petal. Make sure to arrange it neatly before putting one over the other. Here, now our rose is all ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? Now take a green color paper. Cut it into 2 halves. Take one. And now start rolling it from one end. Make sure to roll it thin so it looks like a beautiful stem. Now take a light green color paper. Now cut 2 little petals out of it. Here are the mini petals. Now cut them like stripes over them. Now take the stem and cut the ends into 4 parts. Now use hot glue to stick the flower to the stem. Now stick the leaves with the help of glue gun. Ta-da! Our flower is all ready. Doesn't it look beautiful? Here are some other beautiful colors you can try. Red, pure white, peachy color, sky blue, yellow, golden. They're so beautiful and easy to make. If you enjoyed today's video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and comment down below what we should post next week. If you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe now. Bye guys, let's see you next week. I'm going to be posting how to make this amazing vase next week, so make sure to stay tuned and subscribe now.